Wow, it has been a while since I have made a devlog for ShellBot. Let's bring you up some news. So, ShellBot has a Twitter finally. ShellBot's documentation page is up. Yes, I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys, but now we have a website. It is shellbot.site. Here's just our documentation page. I know it looks rushed, but I am in the process of fixing it. Here is our about main homepage. There's gonna be some JavaScript soon. All these links are the same. See Astra Development, just JC to Astra Development, my company. Let's see. We have fully have the bot now online, which is kind of cool, and we have a logo for it. That is right there, as you can see. Here I can actually pull up the logo. Poopy.jpg. I did not mean to name it that. I just gave it a random name, but here it is. Looks really nice. We have that as the favicon. If I just go back to shell, yeah, you can see it there. And we have actually made some real nice progress on ShellBot. I will bring up a alt account here. Let me just sign in to Discord and all that. Log out. Okay. So let's go to just the test server. Actually, I'm going to invite Apex Layer here to the actual real server, or my alt. The actual ShellBot at Discord. So as you can see here, we are just going to create a general. We have a leveling system. Now that is what I'm going to show everyone first. Hi. 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 You just type a bit and then it should level you up. You are getting XP. So our first command that we have added is rank. So wait for all those messages to load. If I run rank, it's going to show their user tag just like that. Their level, so they're level 1, their XP, how many XP to the next level. We just do that. Maybe some more. Yep, reached level 2. Now we will, in the future, add a system where it does mention the user. So let's say at Apex Layer, you have reached level 2. I was trying to mess around with that, but I couldn't really figure it out how to do it. We have a kick command. So if with all embeds that are looking really nice. So right now it says you do not have permission to kick because I don't have a staff role. Now, when you install ShellBot into your server, or I guess add it, you have to make sure you have a role that is listed exactly like this. So it has to have the capital S and everything. That's what we described in our documentation on ShellBot. Staff is spelled exactly with the capital. So, as you can see, you do not have permissions to kick. You do not have permissions to kick. You do not have permissions to ban. That sort of things. But if I give Apex Layer here the role staff, and I say ban, ban, instead of giving no permissions, you do not mention a user. So now let's give you some, let's go kick before we end off the video. So kick at Apex Layer. That's right, I did not give myself the staff role. Whoops. Yeah, okay. Kick at Apex Layer. So now Apex Layer is off the server and it sends an embed. Oh my goodness, I cannot speak. Embed saying that they have been kicked. Let's join back and let's run one last command. Ban. So let's ban Apex Layer. It's going to say banned. And now, if I go down to bans, he is successfully banned. So yeah, we have way more features coming though. I think tonight what I'll be coding is a temporarily mute command, which is going to mute people for just a couple seconds or whatever. And I would like to make Oh, I don't even know. There's a bunch of things I want to add, but I just can't think off the top of my mind. There's the temp mute. I don't know, but I think the rank thing is probably the coolest thing right now, and you can just be able to see your rank. I didn't even type that right. That is so cool. So if there's just rank in there. Huh, interesting. But yeah, that's gonna end off our devlog, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye, everybody.